How to install Wi-Fi driver in your Windows 11 computer. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the exact steps on how you can install your Wi-Fi driver in your Windows 11 PC. So there are two ways to install your Wi-Fi driver. The first one is that you automatically let the Windows update your Wi-Fi driver, and the second option is to install it manually, for which you will need to download the Wi-Fi adapter file first, and then you can install it. So let me show you how you can do this. So first thing that you're gonna need to do is simply go to the settings, or simply you can go to the search bar and type for device manager. Now once you will see this device manager, you can simply click onto this and you will see a window appear like this. So within this particular window, you can see you have different types of devices, hardwares right here, and one such option is the network adapters. So from here you will be able to find your laptop's or your device Wi-Fi adapter, or if you can't see this, you can simply click onto this view tab, and from here you will need to make sure that you have selected this option, that is show hidden devices, and now you will see your Wi-Fi adapter as well. So as here you can see, I have my Microsoft virtual adapter as well, but the more focus is on the actual physical adapter, which is the wireless LAN card from MediaTek in my case. So this is my Wi-Fi card. So I'm going to right click onto this, and from here I can see this option that is update driver. So let me simply click onto this, and now if I would like to do a automatic search for any update, I will simply click onto this, and from here it will find the best updates if they are available, and currently it says the best driver for your devices are already installed. Or apart from that, you can simply click onto this browse my computer, and from here you can click onto this let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer, and whichever one you would prefer, you can simply install this by choosing that option and then clicking onto the next button, and your Wi-Fi driver will be successfully installed. So that's how you can do this. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.